Hello, welcome to today's maths. Before we start, let's look at what you've been doing. Well done if you got your picture shown today. More tomorrow. Right, this week we've been learning about addition, adding. Can you do the symbol for me? Add. Well done. Today we're going to look at a new concept of adding. It's called a 10 frame.
This is a 10 frame. There are 5 spaces in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 spaces in the bottom line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are counters on the 10 frame. How many dots do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots. How many dots do you see now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the top row is full, there are 5 dots, 5 counters. How many dots do you see now? Let's count them. There are 5 in the top row, 6, 7. There are 7 dots. How many dots do you see? There are 5 in the top row, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots. By adding one more dot, we know we have 10 dots. When all of the frame is filled, there are 10 dots. That's why it's called a 10 frame. Now we have 7 dots. How many more dots do we need to make 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We need 3 more counters to make 10. Now we know that 7 and 3 make 10. Let's look at another one. Here we've got 8 dots. How many more dots would make 10? We need 2 dots. 1, 2. 8 and 2 make 10. Now it's your turn. How many dots are there? How many more dots to make 10? We need 4 more dots. 6 and 4 make 10. Can you do this one on your own? How many more dots to make 10? One more. 9 add 1 make 10.
Today, I want you to make your very own 10 frame. You might need an adult to help you. Remember that there has to be 5 spaces in the top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 spaces in the bottom line. You might need a ruler to help you draw those straight lines. If you haven't got a ruler, you could find anything with a straight line. I've got a book. I could use that. And then when you've done that, you need to find some dots. You could use anything really. I've got some cubes. If you haven't got cubes or Lego or little bits that fit inside, you could actually cut some dots out. Try not to make them white. If you've got white paper, colour them in. You're going to need 10 spots, all the same, and another set of 10 spots, a different colour, okay? Actually, you're going to need to make 2 10 frames because we're going to be doing this activity again tomorrow. So remember, your 10 frames have to have 5 spaces at the top and 5 spaces at the bottom. And you need to collect 10 things that will fit in, preferably all the same colour, and then another set, preferably all the same colour, or you can make your own dots. When you've made your own 10 frame and collected all your dots, you can do today's activity. Have fun, see you soon.
For 1 chilli, how many more make 5? For 2 chillies, how many more make 10? And for 3 chillies, how many more make 20?